Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a power seat, heated seats, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.